You've been told surgery is your only option for that chronic pain you've been dealing with. But what if everything you've been led to believe about pain treatment was missing a crucial piece? What if I told you there's a breakthrough approach that could help you avoid going under the knife altogether? Hi, I'm Dr. Jason Han, rehab expert and CEO of HealthFit in Pasadena. In today's video, I want to challenge a belief that's become all too common, that surgery is the inevitable next step when conservative care doesn't deliver. What if I told you there's a breakthrough approach, one that could help you avoid surgery altogether and actually get to the root of the problem? We are going to break down two cutting-edge regenerative therapies, Shockwave Therapy and EMTT, and how they might just be the missing piece in your recovery journey. We've been led to believe that when rest, medication, or standard rehab do not work, then surgery is the next logical step, especially when the MRI shows wear and tear, bone spurs, or degeneration. It can feel like there are no other options. But here is the truth. Surgery should be your last resort, not your first reaction. Here is something most people don't hear enough. Every case is different. Before jumping to surgery, it's critical to understand the full picture: your medical diagnosis, the underlying movement impairments, and which tissues or structures might be contributing to the problem. Unfortunately, some people see surgery as a quick fix, but what they don't always consider are the long-term consequences: scar tissue, loss of strength or range of motion, and the months of hard work it takes to get back to full function. Others are somewhere in the middle. They've tried some basic rehab, maybe felt a little better, but the results have plateaued. Then there are those who simply want to avoid surgery altogether because they've seen the pain, the disability, and the recovery time involved. If you haven't given regenerative therapies a try yet, this might be the missing link, a way to restart and boost healing in tissues that have become stagnant or resistant to traditional care. Let's talk about the therapies. Shockwave therapy uses acoustic energy to stimulate your body's healing process, boosting circulation, breaking down scar tissue, and promoting repair at a cellular level. EMTT, also known as extracorporeal magnetotransduction therapy, delivers high-energy magnetic pulses deep into your tissues. This enhances cell metabolism, reduces chronic inflammation at its source. These therapies work with your body, not against it. They don't just mask the pain, they stimulate real healing and restore function. Clinical research supports what we see in the clinic every day. Up to 80% of patients experience significant improvements in pain and mobility after just a few sessions of shockwave and EMTT combined. And unlike cortisone injections or pain meds, these treatments don't carry the same risks or side effects. They don't suppress, they rebuild. I get it. When you're in pain, all you want is relief. But what if short-term relief isn't enough? What if what you really want is freedom from pain and the ability to move again without hesitation? Let me share the story of a patient in her 50s, an avid hiker. She came to us with chronic knee pain and had already been told that surgery was her next step. But something didn't sit right with her. We took the time to understand her full story, her movement patterns, the structures involved, her past treatment experiences. With a customized plan using EMTT and shockwave therapy, her pain began to drop in just a few weeks. Within a few months, she was back to hiking again, pain-free. No surgery, no downtime, just the right care at the right time. So if you've been told surgery is your only option, I encourage you to take a step back and look at the bigger picture. First, schedule a comprehensive consultation to determine if regenerative therapy is the missing link in your healing. 2. Follow us here at HealthFit for more expert insights and inspiring stories from people just like you. 3. Don't give up. Your body has an incredible ability to heal. It just needs the right support. Thank you for watching, and I hope this message gives you a renewed sense of possibility on your journey to recovery. Hey, if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for our latest tips coming to you every week. Share this video with your family and friends. It might just make their day a little bit better. I'll see you soon.